Hello everyone. In this video, I'll introduce you to Fliki AI, a tool that makes creating professional videos effortless. AI has made it easier to start and monetize YouTube channels. Many channels reach monetization quickly using YouTube Shorts, requiring just 10 million public views. Shorts offer a faster path compared to long-form content, which can be more challenging to monetize initially. Fliki simplifies the process even further. It's beginner-friendly, fast, and offers a free version you can use until you're monetized. You can find it at fliki.ai or search for it online. Start by creating a Fliki account. Once logged in, go to the File section and click on the New File button. Fliki provides multiple conversion options, including idea to video, script to video, blog to video, PPT to video, and product to video. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Idea to Video feature. This option integrates ChatGPT, enabling you to input an idea, such as 3 facts about big dogs. Fliki will generate a 1-minute video script tailored to your idea. While medium and long-form content options are available, creating long-form content requires a paid subscription. You can also upload additional files like PDFs or PowerPoint presentations to elaborate on your idea further. Next, select the tone of your video from the available options or customize your own tone by clicking Other. Then, choose the purpose of your video from the given list or define a custom purpose. Finally, specify your target audience. Fliki will suggest related titles, allowing you to select one or create your own. Once this setup is complete, click Next. Adjust the aspect ratio to portrait, as this format is ideal for YouTube Shorts, given that most viewers watch on mobile devices. Then, select the language for your video. For customization, you can use stock media or AI-generated visuals to automatically include images and video clips. Once ready, click Submit to generate the video. Fliki will automatically create scenes, select suitable videos, and add voiceovers and subtitles. If you want to modify these elements, simply click on the respective icons. For example, if you don't like a specific video clip, click on it to search for alternatives. Some clips are free, while others may require an upgraded plan. You can also split scenes if needed. To do this, cut a specific line of text from the current scene, click the plus icon to create a new scene, and paste the text into it. You can then choose a video for the new scene from stock options or let the AI select one automatically. Fliki also includes an AI art feature, allowing you to generate custom visuals by inputting prompts. For example, you could type "dog running" to create unique images. Additionally, you can change the voiceover by selecting from a list of free options. Can be applied to all scenes for consistency. If you prefer, you can use the blog to video feature. Simply search for relevant blog posts, copy the URL, and paste it into Fliki. The tool will create a video based on the blog's content. This method is particularly useful for niches with abundant online articles. To generate content ideas, use the YouTube search bar. Type a keyword like animal facts and observe what others are creating. While you should not copy their videos, you can use their titles for inspiration. Input these titles into Fliki to generate unique content. The tool ensures originality by producing fresh scripts and visuals. Now, if you want to make real money from YouTube using tools such as Fliki AI, you need to learn the correct methods to follow. I believe I found the best YouTube course in the world for complete beginners. Click the link in the description to check it out.